iPath laser navigation, minimum effort, maximum convenience. Increased efficiency and prolonged 2.5-hour run time achieved through the all-new, upgraded navigation system. AI map technology for maximum precision. Real-time mapping allows for customized target cleaning that fits your home. Set virtual boundaries, right from your phone, to exclude the areas in which cleaning is not required. Hybrid 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. Vacuum multi-surfaces and mop hard floors for a deeper clean that will leave your floors sparkling. Brains and Brawn. 2,200 pascals of ultra-strong suction power combined with advanced sensors allow for thorough cleaning throughout your home. With drop sensing and anti-collision technology, have peace of mind that RoboVac is safe anywhere in your home. What you get: RoboVac L70 hybrid, charging base, AC power adapter, waterproof pad, mopping module, with washable mopping cloth, quick installation guide and manual, welcome guide, and our worry-free 12-month warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great for hard floors. Our new house has hard floors throughout, so I wanted something to keep on top of the pet hair we have in abundance. This little robot does a pretty good job at maintaining the floors, so I don't have to sweep and use the dust mop multiple times a day, because I hate it when anything sticks to my feet. The self-adjusting suction function is neat and seems to work well on the low-pile rugs I have. I haven't had a chance to use the mopping function yet, so I can't speak to that, but overall I enjoy this robot and the phone app makes it easy to manage.